welcome back to the channel. So today Dave and I are out here. It's about 20 degrees. We're all bundled up in our car, hard to tire. Today we're going to put on the new deck plate we were talking about in the last video. And we have some other little parts we're going to be putting on as well. So let's get going. Alright guys, this is the bracket, the bottom bracket that goes underneath the deck plate. And what it does, the top of the frame rail sits right here and then it pinches it, so that's what holds it on. So we gotta drill holes to the top to get the bolts through. And we got three brackets. So 3 different mounting points on this deck plate. Alright, Dave, you wanna show them how this mounts? Yeah, so here's the bracket. You can see the top of the frame rail up there. This goes like this, so we gotta mark the holes and then drill them through at 3 different spots. It should be pretty simple and easy to get on there. So E and I just finished drilling the holes in the deck plate. We got 2 up here, 2 here, and 2 down there. And so now we're going to throw it on there and get the bolts through there and try to tighten them up, see how it looks. Alright guys, E and I just got this on there, the 6 bolts, and it's held on there pretty tight. I like it a lot. We have it on our other trucks so our drivers can get into the front of their trailers, and they're not climbing all over the frame, especially when it's out here and when it's all snowy and slippery and stuff. But it cleans it up back there, don't you think so, E? Yeah, clean it up. Nice. And then we left a gap up here because we have a chrome airline box that we put up there. Same with all of our other trucks to get rid of all the airlines and light wires and stuff. So we had to get that on, and then we have the new pogo stick that's gonna go right here in the middle, and it'll clean it up, get rid of that big nasty. Yeah. Another thing E and I forgot to mention is that we did buy used fiberglass fenders that go over both. Yeah, the full fiberglass fenders. They need a little bit of body work, so that'll probably be a video in the future with Dave, Ryan, and I fixing those up. Then we'll have to paint them. But if you guys remember the first Peterbilt that we made the video on, the 379 that needs the whole interior, and we did the first startup on it in like 6 years. But it's either between putting them on this truck or putting them on that truck eventually. But we're still deciding what one to put it on. Yeah, so let us know if you think it should go on the W9 or the fender should go on the W9 or the 379 flat top. Okay, so we're also putting on these lights on the back here for these 2 lights. These didn't work, so we were gonna take them apart anyways to see why they weren't working, and might as well throw some nice LEDs on that. You know, we got
these on the back of the 59. We put them inside of the 59. We had these back on that my grandpa's 379 too, and the United Pacific brand. You guys were wondering the other day about those. Yeah, so we'll get to throw these on.
Hooked up. There's only one wire, power wire, coming to the existing light that was there, so we're gonna just ground it out right here when we screw it in.
What do you think about those, Dave?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Definitely cleaning the truck up a little bit.
Little by little, we'll try to clean it up.
So this is going to be one of the last parts we're going to throw on today. It's this mirror up here. As you can see, that one's cracked. I don't know how that gets really cracked, but it is. So I'm going to throw this on. It's United Pacific. Most of the stuff we get is United Pacific, because Chrome Depot out in Manaway is where we get most of our parts, unless we order them online.
Just like that deck lid we got from
Chrome Shop Mafia.
Chrome Shop Mafia, yeah.
And so this is usually, I mean, what Chrome Depot carries.
Yeah.
So that's what most of our parts are.
So let's get to it. Cold?
Yeah.
I know in the last video said we were going to put that wire loom on, so this time we actually remembered to bring it, so we'll throw it on here. So that's going to be a wrap on today's video. Stay tuned for the near future. We got to throw on that pogo stick on the back, that box where the airlines and electro runs through. This truck still needs a radio put in, so we got to do that and a CV as well, and then also figuring out that wiring in the inside that's a little bit sketchy, so the rest of the lights come on how they're supposed to and everything works how it's supposed to. And then also, we never told you guys, we do have the front and rear JJ bars for this truck, but we're gonna wait like springtime when we figure out this paint how we want it, and then we'll mount them because it'll just be a lot easier when it's nicer weather. So yeah, stay tuned for this video, another video for this truck coming in the future, and then another video for the 359. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.